Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card on the device. So to get started, let's go into the settings. From here, scroll down to storage, select your SD card, tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you should see the option to format. Select it. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from that card. So if there's anything on it that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. So once you have done that, you can tap on Format SD card and the process will begin. That's a fairly quick one, only takes about like 10 seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. Click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.